and they are painting all the other Muslims as bad guys because they are calling them as kuffars. They believe that all those people who do not believe in Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, you cannot even call them kalma go or reciter of the kalima. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Everyone, right in the beginning, a very important disclaimer. On this platform, we critique Ahmadiyya religion as it is found in the writings of its founder Mirza Ghulam Ahmad, his khulafa, and authentic literature of the Jamaat. Now, why I'm saying this? Because we know for sure that majority of common Ahmadis, they are not even aware of these objectionable beliefs and writings of Mirza Ghulam Ahmad, let alone believing in them. So we are not saying that all common Ahmadis have all of these beliefs which Mirza Ghulam Qadiani has mentioned in his writings. Having said that, my dear common Ahmadis, it's also a reality that you identify yourself as a member and part of this religion and organization whose beliefs are not according to Quran and Sunnah. So you cannot escape the responsibility altogether. Minimum responsibility you have is that after becoming aware of these objectionable writings and beliefs of Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, you must conduct a sincere research with an open-hearted mind to find the truth. The dilemma of Ahmadiyya religion is that their public narrative on every single issue is radically different, actually contradictory to what is found in the authentic literature of the Jamaat. Here's one example. Public narrative of the Jamaat is that according to Quran, whoever obeys Allah and His Messenger, these people are given 4 types of rewards, and one of them is prophethood. In other words, they are telling people that by obeying Allah and His Messenger, the door of prophethood is open forever and ever. This is their public narrative. But when you read the books of Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, when you read the books of his khulafa, when you read the authentic literature of the Jamaat, you come to know that according to their belief, after Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, there was only one prophet to come, and that was Mirza Ghulam Qadiani. And after him, now this door is closed for any other prophet to come till Yawmul Qiyamah. You can clearly see that in the public narrative, they are telling their followers that anybody who obeys Allah and His Messenger, the door of prophethood is open. But in reality, this door was open only for who? For Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, and now it is closed forever and ever. So this is the case on every single issue, that they have a public narrative, but when you read the books, reality is completely different. Same is the case with the issue of takfir or calling other Muslims as disbelievers or kuffar. Their public narrative is that Ahmadiyya or Ahmadi Muslims, they do not declare other Muslims as kuffar. Why? Their public narrative is that as long as someone identifies himself as Muslim or Musalman, no one has the right to declare this person as a kafir. This is their public narrative, and in this way they are painting themselves as good guys because they don't call us kuffar, and they are painting all the other Muslims as bad guys because they are calling them as kuffars. Again, this is their fancy public narrative on the issue of takfir, but when you read their books, you find a completely different story. What they believe is, number one, all those people who do not believe in Mirza Ghulam Qadiani for whatever reason, in this dunya, the ruling or hukum of these people is that they are kuffar, they are disbelievers. Number two, they believe that all those people who do not believe in Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, you cannot even call them kalma go or reciter of the kalima. They went to the extent of saying that their Islam, their Allah, their messenger, their salah, their fasting, their hajj is different than other Muslims. In reality, you cannot find a single group in the entire history of Islam who went this far in the issue of takfir as these Ahmadis or Qadianis have gone in their books. We recently did an Urdu live stream on this topic, and when all of this information was presented to the public, people were in shock. Even those people who have spent a big chunk of their life in the Ahmadiyya Jamaat, they said that we never ever knew that this was the true position of their Jamaat on the issue of takfir. We have been approached and requested by many people that this information is very important and it should be available in the English language as well. So those members of the Jamaat who cannot read Urdu, who cannot understand Urdu, they can know as well that what is the true position of Jamaat Ahmadiyya on the issue of declaring other people as kuffar. On 2nd of March, Saturday, 7:30 p.m. UK time, we'll do a live stream in the English language as well on the issue of takfir or declaring other people as kuffar or disbelievers. Inshallah, in this live stream, not only will present to you the true position of Ahmadiyya Jamaat on the issue of takfir, but will also present to you the evidence that after they have realized the absurdity and weirdness of their position, now they have started a cover-up mission. Now they have started to disown their own writings. Now they have started to unfortunately lie in the public. Inshallah, all of this is coming in our coming live stream.